गाजर का हलवा। एक बोरी कितने के है?
180 रुपए का है, 60 रुपए का।
Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you all? Now I am back for my vlogging. So today I'm going to feature actually a field of wheat. So on this side, as you can see, these are all wheat. Okay, from here to that. So since Pakistan is an agricultural country, so they are mostly have their own plant. So, and on this side, I'm going to show to you also, these are carrots. Okay, so as you can see, yes, so as you can see here, see this field, this plant is a carrots. Okay, so just a few days, they're going to harvest this. So as you can see, it's very wide from here over there. So these are all plants of carrots. So these are the plants here in the village. So as I said earlier, Pakistan is an agricultural country. So they have their own plants. They're harvesting their own. So you can say it's a fresh from the field. Okay, let's have a walk. Let's go further. So that you will see how wide is this field of carrots and wheat. This is actually a big land of carrots. So from here over there, it's farther from here also. So these are all carrots. So as you can see, it's actually a waste. So many blocks of land. So these are this area, okay, these are plant of carrots, and on the other side it's wheat. So I will visit another area and let's see what they have, and I will show this to you all. We will try to harvest one of the carrots. Let's see. Improvise. I don't have my equipment, so I will just use this one. That's today. Deep. You know that carrots have some roots also on its body, so let's try to take it. Oh, I can. Okay, there we are. So these are carrots, healthy carrots. I have a carrot. There's a man. So this is actually now, it's my first time also to know that this is the leaves of the carrots. So, and this is the carrots I only see in the market only with this. So not the leaves of it. So now here I'm able to harvest carrots. This is actually very good, even it's not cooked fish as a salad, so you can eat that. And one thing I also know here that Pakistan carrots are actually very sweet. It's really good. Even my daughter is eating fresh. Just peel it, wash, peel it, and cut it, and she will eat. So these are the fields of carrots, and I have carrots. I will show to you how they going to clean the carrots and how they pack, and after this they actually bring this to the market to salt. So this is actually, as you can see, too much carrots, and it's a good one, very good carrots, healthy, as you can see. See, there are no more roots in it, so they are, as uncle is doing, uncle is getting the roots. So once it is done, so it will be like that. See, so they don't. Okay, so once they harvest it, they just don't, put it on the market, and that they actually spend time to clean it. So as you can see, it's very clean and very fresh. It's really very good. I can smell it's very sweet. As you can see, it's very healthy. So this is how they really work hard for it. So once it is packed, it will be like this. So either they will, someone will get them for wholesaler, or they will bring in the market. So in this season, actually they're making this as a very sweet gajar kahalwa. So it's very tasty. I like it very much. This is one of my favorite kind of halwa. So people are making this. They will use this one. They will grind it with milk, let it boil, and it will be very tasty. Assalamualaikum ji. Assalamualaikum ji. जी एक बोरी कितने के हैं?
180 रुपए का है, 60 रुपए का है। मंडी का फर्क होता है ना, जैसा मंडी में माल बिकता है ऐसा रहेगा।
So it's only XOC, it means 180 rupees. So it is really very cheap. So you can see it's too much already. So back in my country, you cannot get this. And actually will have 10 to 11 kilos. Okay, for one sack it will be 10 to 11 kilos, and that is actually too much but very cheap. So it's 180 only. This is actually the area that they just harvest these carrots. So only in this area, and they got these too much carrots. So there are more. Actually, these are ready to harvest also, as you can see. So here you can see these are small ones, but this doesn't grow that much long, so they just leave it here. There are less also. So this, as you just imagine, these are the fields of carrots. So wide and so many they will have. So this is what I featured today, and I hope you will like it. Please keep watching on my all videos. Support me, subscribe to my channel, hit like and hit your notification bell for new videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Please watch. Please watch our videos. Thank you so much.